Outbreaks of preventable diseases are happening around the world. Even in the U.S., whooping cough, a deadly disease for infants, is making a comeback. Could it happen in Mississippi? It already has. In 2007, at least 256 Mississippians were infected with whooping cough. One infant died. This doesn't have to happen. Protect your child and those around them. Get your child vaccinated and stick to the schedule. Vaccinations are safe, effective, and can save lives. Get the facts. Call your doctor or the Mississippi State Department of Health.